Today I'm going through the EDEXCEL GCSE Math Paper 1 higher for November 2021. So today I'm going through question 21, which reads as follows. The functions f and g are such that f of x equals 3x squared plus 1 for x is greater than 0, and g of x equals 4 over x squared for x is greater than 0. So part A is work out gf of 1. So gf of 1 is f of 1, and you find that value and you put it into g. So f of 1 is 3 plus 1, because 1 squared is 1. 3 times by 1 is 1. So I put that into the equation of form over x squared, where x is 3 plus 1. And then I square that, and it's all over, and then it's 4 over that. So that's 4 over 4 squared. And as you can see, I can take I have a common factor of 4 and 4 here. So that will be simplified to 1 over 4. Now the function h is such that h is the inverse of f of g. Find h of x. So h of x. So first I need to find f of g. So as I said before, it's g of x into f. So g of x is 4 over x squared. And I put that into f of x, which is 3x squared plus 1. So that would be 3 times by brackets 4 minus x squared plus 1. So I can simplify that to 48 over x to the 4 plus 1. So now to find the inverse, you might recall that you put it into y equals, and then you rearrange to get x equals, and then instead of x, you write the function, and where it's y, you replace it with x, if that makes sense. So I get y equals 48 over x to the 4 plus 1. Now I minus 1 from both sides. And then I multiply x to the 4, but I divide by y minus 1 to get x to the 4 equals 48 over y minus 1. So because it's to the power of 4, I will take the fourth root of that. And now I'll show you what I mean by replacing the x's and y's, if that was confusing at first. So that is f of g minus 1, which is x. And then here I wrote y, but it's x, because you're finding h of x, and that's the answer. Thank you for listening. Like and subscribe for more maths past papers, further maths, UKMT, and other maths related stuff. Bye.